Okay, so I was on the phone, right? So this girl, she was on my phone. Well, she's still on my phone, you know. But check this out. I'm on Vine on my iPad. I'm on Vine on one of my videos on my iPad. And every time she hit, she go crazy. Well, she just starts saying stupid stuff. So watch this. I'm about to let y'all hear it. Hold on. I check everything.
I wish somebody go ahead and do a teleportation so I could just
I check everything. I check everything.
I'm pushing it.
I check everything. I check everything. I check everything.
I gotta tell you something.
I check everything.
I'm serious.
I check everything. What is it? What you got? What you got to tell me?
Oh, nothing. I just wanted you to stop pressing it.
Oh, for real? Everything.
Yeah.
I check everything.
Are you gonna tell me what you're pushing?
I check everything. I check everything. Watch. I check everything. I check everything.
So you saying I'm just gonna have to wait till you wake up at 12 o'clock
I check everything.
to tell you what my danger was?
I check everything.
Somebody could have been and kidnapped me. I could be up in some other kind of
I
state.
check everything.
And I was calling you to help, but you didn't answer the phone.
I check everything.
Or when you woke up, you didn't call me back.
I check everything.
And because when you was happy,
I check everything.
you didn't call me back. What if something else is in it?
I check everything. I check everything.
And you know I can't swim, so what if my kidnapper taking me to a pool and just
I check everything.
Oh, God, because I can't stop. No, you just go to sleep and you don't got nowhere to live when they call you a helicopter and someone's going to drown in the pool because you didn't call me back.
Everything.
Someone's going to be dead. Because you didn't call me back because you let the kidnapper call me back. You got my man home.
I check everything.
Huh?
I check everything.
I check everything. Hold on.
So yeah, if you see, now she's scared. Now she talking about something. If I don't answer the phone, she gonna die because the ghost got her. This girl is scared of an iPad. She's thinking I'm making noise. That is so funny. You know, I'm out. Check out my shows. They ain't on YouTube for nothing.